Welcome to beautiful Juno Beach. Today I'm going to show you how I find shark teeth. Stick to the end if you would like to see the footage of an unexpected encounter. So here are my tips and tricks. Tip number 1, go at low tide. When the high tide comes, it brings new shells, new shark teeth and sea glass. And then as the tide goes back down, the shells will get deposited on the beach. So at dead low tide, the more beach will be exposed, therefore the more shells exposed. Tip number 2, look where the broken shells are, because shark teeth are light and the ocean sorts things by size and density. So the smaller items will be deposited together on the beach. Tip number 3, look for triangular or T-shape. I tend to look more for the shape instead of the color because I find a lot of white shark teeth, even though they are more rare because they are modern teeth, whereas the black ones are more easily found because they're fossilized from the 400 million years plus of shark existence. I'll still look for the shape instead of the color because I definitely don't want to miss the white ones since they're more rare. Tip number 4. Tip number 4 is optional, but go hunting after a big storm, because big storms bring big treasure.
Big storms bring big treasure.
This is the beach after the storm we had yesterday. You can see low tide, and then as the tide goes down, deposits all these shells. Tip number 5 is really important. Be patient, take your time. Sometimes I'll spend 2 to 3 hours looking for shark teeth and I'll only find 10, so be patient. And the last tip, don't forget your sunscreen. So after I'm going to show you 2 other techniques that I use to look for shark teeth if none of the tips that I just mentioned are possible. For example, you go at the beach and it's high tide, or you go at the beach and there's no shells. So I'll show you those 2 techniques. All right, let's go hunting. Before I start, I'll look just on top of the area and then I'll sweep like this, in case it's just sitting on top, like the one I found was just sitting on top. So this is the one I just found. It was literally just sitting right there like that. There we go. It's a tiny one. So just to give an idea, I went through this patch here. This is all broken shells. I found 3. Pardon my swearing. Sometimes when I get excited, I swear in French. This is a good spot. Can you see it? I was looking at this, and then right next to it, ta-da! There you go, just walking right there. sitting amongst the shells. So this is what I found after 2 hours of shark tooth hunting. So another way you can look for shark teeth is by using a sifter. If you don't have a big one like this, you can always use a beach toy sifter. That's how I started. I'll use more that technique when it's a day when there's no waves, because if not, you get smashed around and it's hard to keep the sifter afloat. Or if I come to the beach and it's high tide, then I can use this while waiting for low tide. So I will show you how to use it. So you want to come here where the drop zone is, and you just scoop from the drop zone. And you sift and you look. No success. And the last technique that I'll use is simply to look underwater with a mask and a snorkel, and I'll look right where it drops about a foot, where the shells accumulate. And that technique is convenient when it's hot outside. Oh my goodness! I'm looking for shark teeth, and there's a turtle! Make it, buddy. You can make it. Here's some of the creation that I made with the shark teeth that I found. If you are interested in any of them, visit my Instagram page at lesbijouluna and send me a DM. Or send me an email, lesbijouluna@hotmail.com. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.